Yo, what up, Womb? How was your day? It's good, it's good. What the market does. I probably expect a dump at market open. Yeah, and then if we can inverse somehow, that's also great. Looks like it's happening. So we just swept London low real quick on NQ. Nasty wick. Yeah, finally, huh? It's been like kind of diverging for a little bit. How was your trading yesterday? Did you trade yesterday? Yeah, I took an L. Oh no. All good. It's part of the process. Okay. Well, ES and NQ are kind of diverging again, which is not good. ES wants to push, NQ wants to kind of fall somewhat. So I was hoping for a slam down past this 15-minute low on NQ. That's what I was hoping. But ES kind of looks like it wanted to push right there. Take out these highs real quick, I guess, on NQ though. Yeah, I think so. I think I'm bullish too. Yeah, I had it drawn out. It kind of just depends though, because if we keep selling off, so let's say we take this purple line right here, right? Let's say we take this low. If we keep selling off like right here, I'm gonna be bearish till right here, till about 297, till we sweep that, and then probably be bullish again. But that's if we continue to sell down there. But it doesn't look like the open's good. We chopping around again. I'm telling you, I hate when, see now NQ is pushing, ES is trying to drop. I don't like it. I just need a sweep. Usually the good price action kind of happens at the start and then it disappears, but then I don't know. Terrible open, bro. 20-point open is kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Actually, I guess 30. Some boring stuff, bro. Holy. SMT. Alright, SMT as well. This is the stronger one. MQ didn't take those London lows yet. Okay, there we go. We take this high. We could take this high and maybe I don't know if this gap is big enough, but kind of close above here. That'll be interesting. I just like, I wouldn't take a long here only because we just swept this high. So now like we could just do something like this, right? And then that, I don't know. If we closed above and this high wasn't here, but instead like we're here, right? And so if we had like a wick like this, I would love this trade. If we had like a wick right here, like this, and I would love this trade, but it's a little bit sketch right now. You take that high and then we could just dump. You could just dump. Let's check out what's going on Twitter. Yeah. There we go. Finally some dumping. look at this. Look at inversion. Good thing we don't take those. Can I get an entry somehow? Or what a sell off. What a sell off. 30 points. Just take this low. Okay, this is a good bias building fair value gap right here. So we might be able to do something with this fair value gap. If we close above here, great. I'm long. If not, we retrace into it, start selling off aggressively, I could be bearish. Because we still have this low right here, so I'm just kind of eyeing it. Okay, there we go, swept that low. ES still has room to go to the downside, but it looks bullish on ES somewhat. I'm telling you, boom. Every single day this week, bro, NQES has been diverging, bro. It's so lame. ES wants to push, NQ's dropping. Yeah, it's annoying. Wait, now you're looking for longs? Great, let's go. ES might be able to inverse this right here, though. I don't know if it'd be a good inverse spot, though. Close above, inverse it. It is the stronger one, but... Oh, okay. Now we got 20 seconds. I might take a stab on ES as well. Paper trade. Or was it London highs? Yeah. Not great RR, but high probability, I guess. Once you could break it out of what do you call it? NQ, right? It'll start pushing, so kind of see. I'll put another trade on if yes, or sorry, NQ could close above. So I'm just kind of eyeing NQ right now. This is the big one. If NQ could get past, that would be great. My only worry is this fair value gap on NQ pushes it down. So it was a bit early on ES, but ES is the stronger one, so I took it. I mean, if we inverse, so if we get a candle closure above, I'm gonna wait like another like 5-10 seconds on the next candle to see if we flip bearish or not. But I probably will enter immediately. So my trade would look something like this. So if we close above, I'll put my stop below right here at this swing low right here, and then aim for the London highs. I mean, I guess you could try to hold for Asia high as well, or this high up here. But I'm gonna do something like this. Go stops break even right here. All right, stops break even once you hit this internal. Try to hold for Asia high, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, just if we close above, I'll wait another 5-10 seconds to see what the next candle does. If we open bearish, I'll wait until we flip bullish and then I'll enter, if that makes sense. Yeah, so choppy. Alright. See. It's gotta continue being strong right here. I don't want to see weakness. There we go. Open bearish. Alright, I'll just enter right there. Then stop loss below here. So stops break even immediately once you hit this internal, and then let's see. So we retrace back into the fair value gap, tap CE after we inverse. Oh my god, my new video that I uploaded got 500 views already. What the fuck? Let's go. Oh my god, I'm up like 30 subscribers or 20. Holy crap, I'm up 20 subscribers, Woom. Let's go. Gotta get my water. Oh well. More to come. Yes, sir. Then look at ES, bro. I'm just saying, look at ES, bro. ES looks horrific. Gotta keep posting. Yep. I'm gonna start doing more like YouTube shorts of like trades. But ES is holding us down once again, bro. Once again. I'll move my stop to CE of this wig though, or this fair value gap. I don't like minimize risk, but like it's just ES. If ES dumps, bro, I don't know. I don't like it. Not quite break even yet, but I will just reduce risk for now. So instead of risking the full amount, I'll only risk like half of it. I just want to see a quick push back up on NQ so I can go break even and then see if we get hold or not. I might scale out. Are you in this trade as well? I don't know if this is qualifies as a breaker. I think you'd probably have to close back above right here and then retrace right for you to enter, or what? Are you waiting? Okay. Well, so what are your requirements for a trade right now? Yeah, exactly. So close above, retrace back down, and then ride the wave. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I wondered, you said your inversions are more like a confluence for your trade, right? Alright, I'm soft break even right there. ES looks terrible, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I might close on ES like soon, but it's funny too because ES was the stronger one until recently, and now NQ's pushing, and then ES is just doesn't want to push. But yeah, I remember you saying like fair value gaps or like your inversions are more like a confluence for you to take a trade, huh? For me, it's more like I'll take inversions, but they're more like context, right? The reason I like this was because first of all, this was an expansive like fair value gap, right? So when you see like a strong fair value gap like this and we disrespect it and close back above, that's like a bullish sign for me, right? But like that's not the reason why I entered. The reason why I entered was first of all, we have liquidity to the upside. So there's like one, we have targets, right? That we can aim for, and then two, it's like it makes sense because we sold off. We sold off, and we swept these lows right here, right? So it makes sense. We swept some sort of liquidity as well. That's why I entered. All right, well, I'm just gonna close on ES, bro. I don't want to fucking deal with that. That was just more paper than anything. I'm on NQ on my funded though. Already closed on my funded right here. 200. Oh wait, I'm gonna do that like banger trade on live right now with my boy Woom. Ooh. Are you in now? Okay, nice. Oh, you got, oh, you got no drawdown probably, huh? You got no drawdown probably, huh? Let's go. Let's go. Wait, let me post your trade, bro. Let me see. What was your entry? Was it like this candle right here? I'm pretty sure it was this candle that you entered on, huh? I swear I'm like learning more about breaker blocks when you're talking to me about it. I think you entered like right here. This is my only assumption right here. That breaker block? Right there, right? But the wick too. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, you had like a no drawdown trade, huh? How quick would your TP be? So would you go stops or break even like at this high, at London high right here, right? Or are you still kind of letting it breathe? You're still in it? Okay. Oh yeah, we push it. Banger trade, brother. Yes, it's not bullish. Let me see. About damn time, bro. Okay, look at ES, bro. This gotta be some of the worst price action I've ever seen, bro. What is this? This is like a Walmart barcode, bro. Yo, wait, do you guys have Walmarts in Germany, right? Or no? I don't know. I think it's a global chain. No? Okay, that's a US thing, I guess. Boom, you ever been to the United States before? Oh, there used to be one? Oh, okay. Huh? Have you what have you been outside of the country before? You visited any countries before? Yeah, Turkey and the Netherlands, but that's it. Only visiting family. Oh, the Netherlands, bro. Dang. You got the Dutch people over there. Everyone's probably tall as hell, right? Yo, how tall are you, bro? You're probably like 6 foot. People in Europe are tall, bro. I'm like 5'8", bro. I'm like 5'7". Or sorry, I'm like 173 centimeter. You're 1.9. No way, bro. Actually? Ah, dude, bro. You said you're 17, right? Oh my god, bro. Yeah, I'm like 172, 173, bro. Dude, what? God damn. 1.9 meters, bro. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. Yo, we sniped the bottom, no? Still holding. Alright, what's next TP? Yo, 1.9 meter. Nah, dude. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy, bro. Oh, my camera stopped. 0.9 meters, bro. What are you? You should be playing basketball, bro. Get your ass on the court, bro. Start playing basketball, bro. I want to visit Germany too, though. I want to visit Germany. I don't know what part of Germany should I visit if I do go. That's tall. How tall is the average in the U.S.? I think 5'9", so 175-ish. Around 175. Let me check, actually. Out. Yeah, 175. 175. Maybe Berlin or something. I don't know. This guy. Okay, I have a question for you. As a nothing much as a German, right? How do you feel about like the neighboring European countries? Is there beef between like you guys and like other countries or not? You guys are cool. Like France or something, I don't know. Nothing much in Germany, really. I mean, y'all got nice cars over there, that's for sure. You don't have beef with them, but you don't like the European countries overall? Oh, okay. Would you ever want to visit like Asia or anything? Or like the any countries want to visit? Like Japan, Korea? I know everyone wants to go to Japan or Korea, bro. All my friends went this year, bro. Indonesia, oh hell yeah. Bali, check out Bali or something, or Morocco, yeah. What is there in Morocco? Nice push on FQ back up. Let's go. Dude, yeah, dude, look at ES, bro. That is horrific, bro. You saying you're trading Discord? Alright, let's review it. Oh, yeah. Oh, so you're still waiting for that TP? Bro, I'm telling you, bro, you're gonna be a demon when you're on a funded account, bro. You're gonna be a demon. Solid trade, bro. No waiting for London high. That was the 5-minute chart, right? Yeah. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, so yeah, it was that wick. Okay. Oh my god, wait, you had like a sniper entry, bro. Holy. Yeah, that was an insane entry right there. Good trade, bro. Yeah, 5 months left. So you're gonna trade with MyFundedFutures or what? You've been looking into the different plans and stuff? I would say if you're first starting out, that's a great question. Yeah, 100%. MFFU is just so good. You gotta go with the core or the scale plan. I think for you, right? Start off with the core for sure, right? Get a payout. Make sure that you know how to trade and stuff, right? Because this paper trading and like as much as like people say, you know, trading a funded account or sorry, an eval is like trading paper. You know, in a sense, I agree, but at the same time, you also like use your money, right, to like buy the account. So there's like some money involved, right? So it'll test your mental for sure. You're gonna go with the new plans, yeah. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, ES has so much downside potential that we might just sweep on NQ. I don't know. That's not good. Any fair value up in there, see if we can hold that. But yeah, don't worry, bro. I'll try to continue streaming for the next 5 months too, bro. Hopefully by then, like, get fat payouts and stuff like that. You got summer break right now? Okay. Do you play any games or anything? I don't know if I asked you this already. I know you do kickboxing. That's pretty cool. Six weeks you could trade with no problem, yeah. So are you still in like high school? Oh, you deleted them all. Oh yeah, you and your locked in phase, huh? That was me too, bro. I remember I would like ghost all my friends and cousins, and I was like disgusted whenever I saw games, bro. I was like so locked in when I first started learning ICT. Because I was like, damn, this is what I want to do with my life, right? So I was studying for like 12 hours a day, bro. Oh, it's a different system over there? Okay. But yeah, like my schedule basically at that time, because I started in Forex, right? So I had to wake up at 5 a.m. So I had to wake up at like 5 o'clock in the morning. And then I would like basically try trading Forex. And then when I got home from the gym, I would just study straight. I wouldn't even eat, bro. because like I was so laser focused, I forgot. Like time went by so quickly because I was just every day nonstop learning, nonstop like. So I think that happened for like. I did that for like 3 months, bro. Like every single day. 12 hours of studying, and yeah, you used to trade Euro USD. Yo, me too, bro. I used to trade like GP, or I don't even know what we call it, the Great Britain dollar or whatever, JP. I don't know. All this like the it was crazy. The Swiss. Oh, that's good. Nostalgic. Yep. That's pretty cool. Yeah, Turkey, huh? Like Istanbul and stuff. Hey, you got a girlfriend, Woom? You got a girlfriend? Your 190 centimeter ass probably has a girlfriend, huh? No? I wouldn't be surprised if you had one, but I also wouldn't be surprised if you didn't have one, in the sense that, yeah, you locked in, bro. No time for women. Yeah, let's go. I salute you, bro. But my mom's always like, yo, where's your girlfriend? Where's your girlfriend? I'm like, I'm trying to get my life right before I can even get it. I feel like I don't deserve a girlfriend. That, and like, I'm not trying to get played either, you know? Only marriage, yep. I respect that. I just want one girlfriend, make her my wife, and call it, bro. I don't get how people are able to date like 20 different people, bro. I don't get it. I just want one girlfriend and just call it. There you go. But early marriage is also good if you find a good wife, yeah. It's hard to find a good woman like that nowadays. I don't know. For me, I don't want to get like, yeah, I don't want to get played, bro. Like, I'd be hearing stories of my friends and stuff. They'd be breaking up over like some petty stuff, or they're getting like played by a girl who just like wants them for their money and stuff, bro. For me, I want to be more established and like be independent. So I could be able to at least provide. But first of all, I just want to be able to do whatever the hell I want, you know? That's first and foremost. I want to be able to do whatever the hell I want. And then I don't know, I told my mom this. I'm like, yo, when I'm rich as hell, bro, but having a woman before you get rich is also good in the sense that you know that she's in there for the money. Exactly, bro. Yep. It's just, I'm scared, bro. Women scared me, bro. I'm just saying. I was telling my family about like how I met this one girl at the gym. She's like my gym crush, right? And one time, like, I was like standing in front of the door before you go into the gym, right? So I was like on my phone doing something, and then I told my brother this. So I look up, and then she just happens to be there, like looking at me, because she was like probably wondering, why is this stupid idiot like standing in front of the door and not going in, right? But yeah, I was on my phone for like 3 minutes, and then when I finally finished whatever I was doing on my phone, I decided to like look up and then go into the gym, right? But like, I looked up right after like getting off of my phone, and then she's like staring at me. I don't know, I forgot the look she gave me, but she was like, dude, is this guy like gonna go in or what? And I told my brother this. He's like, oh, so did you make a move or something? I'm like, nah, dude. And then I told him basically what I did. Basically, she went in first, right? And she held the door open for me, and then I told my brother, yo, Raymond, guess what I said to her? It's like, oh, you made a move? You made a move? I'm like, nah. What I told her was, thank you. And he started hitting me, bro. He thought there was gonna be more to it. I just said, thank you. And then another time, like, she was like struggling with like one of the machines, right? Because it got stuck, and I was like literally watching her for like 20 seconds. I tried to, yeah. I try to work out. I was like, look, because like the machine that she was on was across from me, right? And it was kind of broke, like it was kind of broken, or like it was I got stuck or something. So I was literally gonna go out or go to help her, right? But I waited a little bit too long because I was like watching her do it for like 15 or 20 seconds, bro. I was like, cause I'm like doing my workout, right? But then I see her struggling across when I'm like working out, and like I'm not trying to go up and like just like bother her, but like I probably should have. But my brother was like, yo, so did you go and help her? And I said no. I said I waited too long. She got it though. She figured it out herself, bro. But I waited 20 seconds for her just struggling right there, bro. Okay, we're about to take this high, which is, once we take this high, it'll be nice. Gotta have confidence sometimes, bro. Hey, right. But at the same time, I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. The worst she could, what's the worst she could do? You know what the worst she could do? She like, ew. That'll be over, bro. It'll be over. GG. I'd never be able to recover. No, the worst she can say no. No. She's gonna say ew, bro. She's like, ew, what the fuck? Just go for it, man. Nah. I'm just playing. Like, I'm not playing, but like I'm just playing. It's the same, bro. I don't got time for that right now. I just want to, for me, my goal is just to get rich as fuck. Be able to do what I want. Take care of my parents, my mom and dad. They work really hard for me, so I just want to be able to repay them. Not really interested in a girlfriend until that happens. If she, you know, if they come along the way, that would be great. But I'm not actively pursuing that. Shit, it's been 22 years, bro. I've never had a girlfriend before, bro. I never had a girlfriend before. I don't know. Oh, we took that high. Dude, solid trade, bro. This is a solid trade. I should have held. Edging your TP again. So one thing I've learned as well, woman, is like, if it's that close to your TPV, bro, just call it, bro. I mean, I guess unless you have a system that's like in place for that. For me, I remember when I like was trading, we'd get so close to TP sometimes, and then we'd just like dump, right? So one of the things that I did was like I put my TP right before my target, stuff like this, right? So say this purple line's my target, I'd have it like right here, because I want to get filled first, because sometimes you'll get so close to it and it just reverse, bro. It just sucks, bro. 418. Oh, okay. So 418. 75. What's that 418.75, or is that just like risk to reward for you? Are you not doing it based off liquidity? There, it starts reversing, bro. Oh, you do 2 RR? Okay. That's your system, I guess. Makes sense. Yeah, my trades vary, bro. Most of the time my trades are 1R. Sometimes they'll be less than that. Sometimes you'll get a good RR like this trade right here. This was a good 3R. Or sorry, I guess it wasn't 3R. It was like 1.5, but. Yo, what up, Azim? How are you doing, brother? Hey, you missed out on the good trade earlier, bro. Me and Woom both took this right here. I'm doing good though. I'm doing great. Bit early over here, but okay, you're out. Nice. Hey, sometimes you just gotta take what you can get, bruh. Hey, salt. Hey, boom. High five, bro. Boom. Boom. Let's go. Trade. Look that. Hey, I'm just saying, I literally called out everything that was gonna happen in the market earlier, you know? I literally called it out. If you guys go reverse from, like, go to the start of the video, relatives came home. Oh, okay. If you were like go to the start of the video when I first started the live stream, this was literally what I drew out. I'm just saying, I predicted the market. I'm just saying, I don't know. I literally had this drawn out before we even took the trade, like 20 minutes ago. I had it like drawn out like maybe like over here, yeah, before market even opened. I'm just saying, I'm just joking. I got lucky. You can never be too sure what the market does, so. Yeah. Hey. I think there's still potential for upside. Bro, boom, look at ES, bro. We haven't even pushed on ES yet, bro. That's disgusting, bro. What the hell? No, that's disgusting, bro. Hey, well, I'm just saying, if I traded my funded accounts like I traded my paper, bro, I would be a demon, bro. Oh my god, I would be a demon. God damn it. Okay, yeah, I'm about to head out too, so I'm gonna end the stream right here. Good trade, Woom. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Azim, for tuning in as well. Sorry it was a little bit late since you joined, but we both took our one trade and we're pretty much good to go. I will try to stream more next week, I will say. We'll see. If not, I'll try to stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But my goal, or my plan at least, is to at least trade every single day. I'll try to do that. We'll still see. I still got some videos planned, so thank you guys for tuning in. We took one dub today, up about 250 on my funded account, about 550 on stream, or I guess 585. And yeah, good luck in your trading, guys. Have a good rest of your day. Enjoy the weekend. Is today Friday? Yeah, today's Friday. Enjoy the weekend. I will see you guys later.